In a room filled with high-quality weapons, there's a SWAT officer diligently working. Not far away, there's also a hideout of the boss containing extremely powerful guns. He's busy admiring two mysterious rifles. The boss happily steps outside to check the waiting time for something. The boss's two henchmen each hold a mysterious rifle, walking and singing amusingly. From afar, two SWAT officers patrol the street.
We don't see anything happening today, do we?
The robbers energetically walk with mysterious rifles in hand. Unfortunately, the two sides collide on the road, causing the mysterious rifles to fall to the ground.
Damn it! Hey, damn it! What?
They argue and blame each other.
Hey, stand up. Are you okay? I'm fine.
Hey,
What do you want?
you? Huh? What are you doing here?
Damn it!
Alright,
You ruined
alright,
my taste!
shut up.
Huh?
Alright,
When you
you
pay
guys
me back,
be careful.
come on! Hurry up!
Alright,
Hey.
shut up.
Damn it, shut up.
Kidding me.
Remember me?
Shut up.
Alright, let's go.
The two SWAT officers ignore the robbers and continue walking, but one robber sneakily attacks them. A fierce fight ensues. The SWAT officers, trained for years, easily defeat the two robbers with just a few moves. They intend to continue fighting, but the SWAT officers point their guns at them, causing them to fearfully flee. The SWAT officers pick up the mysterious rifles and leave.
Yeah.
As the boss waits outside, the two robbers return and recount the entire incident.
Sir, help
Yeah,
me! I
yeah,
will spin it and rubber my two squats. I'm so hurt. Sir, ow.
The boss, furious, hits them and orders his henchmen with guns to go find the SWAT team.
Let's go.
All three of them set out to battle. The two SWAT officers return to their base. They go up to another floor to meet another SWAT officer, and they chat and ask each other questions.
Yeah. Did you?
Hello.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
The two SWAT officers boast about the spoils they obtained from the robbers.
What is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let me check.
All three SWAT officers open their bags and take out the mysterious rifles. They figure out that they are the mysterious Christmas tree rifles.
Nothing. Christmas stuff.
They also take out hats from the bag and happily put them on, looking at each other and laughing.
Yeah, okay, alright.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
The boss and his two henchmen are still diligently searching for the SWAT team. The SWAT officers throw all their weapons onto the table and place the Christmas tree in the center.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Good.
They hold hands and joyfully sing and dance around the tree like children.
On the way. Jingle bells, jingle bells, it's on the way.
The boss finds the SWAT team and quickly goes up to the next floor.
Yeah.
Let's go.
One SWAT officer suddenly looks down and sees the two robbers and the boss running up to the next floor. He quickly informs the other two SWAT officers. They hurriedly grab their guns and move down quickly.
Where are you going?
The two sides meet, and the two robbers start shooting at the SWAT officers, injuring one of them. The SWAT officers return fire.
Let's go.
The two SWAT officers quickly run up the stairs to avoid the gunfire. The boss immediately orders the robbers to continuously shoot upwards. The boss and his two henchmen rush forward.
Hey, stop!
The two robbers go up the stairs and see the SWAT officers still shooting. Another SWAT officer shoots one of the robbers seriously. The boss goes up, holding a shotgun, and crazily shoots at the SWAT officers.
Alright, let's go.
Yes, sir.
They continue to chase each other up the floors. The boss, upon seeing the mysterious Christmas tree, immediately hides it and goes to admire the high-quality guns of the SWAT team.
Get off.
Yes,
Get
sir.
off.
Yes, sir.
Hold up. Wow. Yeah, beautiful gun. You are there. Come on.
One SWAT officer stays behind injured, while the other two continue to fight.
Sir, sit.
The boss and his two henchmen are still fervently stealing weapons. A SWAT officer descends and fires several shots at the robbers and the boss. The boss seriously wounds one SWAT officer.
Hold up. You are there. Okay.
As the boss and the robber are fleeing, a SWAT officer runs out and shoots the robber dead. The boss hastily grabs a bag and flees. Another robber below shoots, injuring a SWAT officer. He also hastily flees. All three SWAT officers, despite being injured, stand up and chase after the robbers and the boss.
Hey, good to go. Let's go. Okay. Hey, are you okay? What's this? Zoran.
Not far into the chase, the three SWAT officers shoot and kill a fleeing robber instantly. Seeing this, the boss continues to run, with the three SWAT officers in pursuit. All three SWAT officers coordinate and shoot at the boss, causing him to be injured and fall. Suddenly, all three SWAT officers' guns run out of bullets simultaneously. They drop their guns and engage in hand-to-hand combat with the boss.
David, what do you want? What do you want?
The three SWAT officers advance to fight the boss, but are all struck back. As the boss attempts to flee, a SWAT officer trips him, causing him to fall to the ground. The three SWAT officers join forces to restrain the boss, tie him up with the bag, and take him back to their base.
Let me out.
Let's go.
Let's go.